same vision, pressure tight. This is motion built for the night. Foot on the gas, thoughts collide. Syllable stack, no place to hide. Short breath rhythm, tongue in flight. Every bar lands heavy, sharp, precise. Pitch goes up, then sharply bends. Temper fractures, tension extends. No names drop, no crowns claim. Pure technique, words untamed. Keep it moving, never stall. Broken voice still standing tall. Fast decisions, razor edge. One wrong step, you fall off the ledge. Down drop. The great final act, solo sex, some silence into impact. Crooked accents, timing slides. Human pulse, not program lines. Chest compressed, rhythm strain. Not chasing pretty, chasing real pain. Twisted phrases, layers deep. Surface thinkers start to sink. Hold the air. No faces needed and no identity. Only nerve, control and clarity. If you're silent, you stay alive.